chimik mo de demip chingo take over. Ala de denki dat tuka for kita la de denki dat. Want amoro hiwa osene boy. Awan sawe kar Jesus entrunen na Yahweh moto eten throne, moto fen throne. You see, for punish the inhabitants of the earth. You see, 2/3, de 2/3 voor Anisha voor Israël, nangala de transition. You see, go ahead. For behold, the Lord cometh out of his place, punish the inhabitants of the earth for their iniquity. The earth also shall disclose with blood, and shall no more cover her slain. This is the book of Job, chapter 14, verse 5. Seeing his days are determined. Seeing his days. Read it again. Job 14 and 5. Seeing his days are determined, the number of his months are with thee. Thou hast appointed his bounds that he cannot pass. See? Read it again. Job 14 and 5. This not sorry you that amoro hiwang. Gide sukan am the wet masa de in power. Agide nga powerful rule and agide wat thing ook to for rule. En a scripture is sorry that as a tempo amorohi a tempo de sukan am the witman nanga a powerful thing it come tot an end. Read it. Job 14 and 5. Seeing his days are determined. Seeing his days are determined. Met andere woorden, de day van ma e cross bay. De day po asukan am the witman nanga a power structure tapagron tapo. You see? Then they think of change, so that they think a door cross bay, they augment a power. Go ahead. Seeing his days are determined, the number of his months are with thee. You see, the numbers of his months, what no no then a manda. You see, na manda, yari no demoro gi asukan am the witman. Na mung ama ap ete fruit tapagron tapu. And darna, awan sawe kariyisas inena Yahweh o kosife elect. The ones that be bribina true and na enanga de or rule agron tapuja forever and ever in righteousness. God, no wickedness of that moro tapagron tapu. God, seeing his days are determined, the number of his months are with thee. Thou hast appointed his bounds that he cannot pass. You see, amoro hiwang gi asukan am with my power nangawan ting tak ano map sa aten dati. Again what they tak lukuja. Mogia power fi rula gron tapu fu you libi fi do you sani? Do you wickedness? Tanga so a period. Eta yuru da top sa ino mapsa. You see? And no no de atefu awet mange kontoton e. Ayure doro. Yesi ala de wicked sansa epsa tapagron tapu taka wetmang. Na so wickedness amay halay. Ala de manengre amawan dry control umasma. Ala umasma wetmawan dry control manengre. You see, so wickedness. No, de amano one up sex moro tapagron tapo. Amay make sex pop chi. You see, na so wickedness tapesa wet mangido. Dalek srana sre po bigyan serwa lo sex pop chi. Pino lugbo de degba. You see, ala de sanat na wickedness. You see,
Matthew chapter 10, verse 34. Think not that I came to send peace on earth. I came not to send peace, but a sword.
You see? Read it again.
Think not that I come to send peace on earth. I came not to send peace, but a sword.
You see? Janso na awan sawe kar Jesus inena Yahweh shay itagja. Mane kerki mane pastor teach tag na all love. Tawa sawe kar Jesus so kumbaka na all. De mane tag ni teach tag awan sawe kar Jesus so kumbaka. Nasosob gua kerki, arra bobo, walo bullshit. You see? Make walo bari sumar, ne teach the people a true. Ma jaso amoro Yahweh shaya taki, te come read it again.
Think not that I come to send peace on earth. I came not to send peace, but a sword.
You see? Jaso awan sawe kari sa sta unom denk tak te ay kom baka tok na Frida ay kof kon chatap gron tapu. You see? Ane kof kon cha Frida ma ay kof kon cha sword met andro do tede. You see? One sword. Daro mek abascribe ko kota jaso na one sword. You see? Dato tang nakira may ko kiri. No wa Frida ne kong. Frida okong bakate Yahweh shay destroy. You see? Bakate amang pamik war. You see? Go ahead.
Jump to 15. Verily I say unto you, it shall be more tolerable for the land of Sodom and Gomorrah in the day of judgment than for that city.
Read it.
Verily I say unto you, Matthew chapter 10 verse 15. Verily I say unto you, it shall be more tolerable for the land of Sodom and Gomorrah in the day of judgment than for that city.
You see? Just so awan sa wekari sa staki, a destruction sa ukonta pagurota po, to enalit ja ade, wat nga derdo werol orlo kay kong. You see? At ka destruction sa ukonta pagurota po, abo moro bong epa destruction to, pede likpa abede in Sodom and Gomorrah. Di amoro iwa destroy Sodom and Gomorrah. This talk, now a wenk egi you tak to, a destruction sa ukonta pagurota po, ja offer skrikeluk, 100 mal moro den destruction po before. You see? Awan sa wekari isas na ikov komprat lollipop. You see? Ane ikov komprat doa wave. Ane ikov komprat doa Jordan. Ane ikov komprat doa Louis Vuitton. Ul ka forgite sandati. E ikov ko make war. An? E walos mau tete. You see? God. The book of Revelation chapter 6 verse 2. And I saw and behold a white horse, and he that sat on him had a bow, and a crown was given unto him, and he went forth conquering and to conquer. You see, read it again. Revelation chapter 6 verse 2. And I saw and behold a white horse. And I saw, John, he saw a white horse. You see, a wet assi. And a wet assi, and assi that they represent power. And a wet assi sa Johannes shi, na awan sa wekari Jesus and na Yahweh shine. You see, omdat asi ne badul letterlijk wa asi nek van de pastor in de kerk die het is. Asi represent power. You see? A white horse ook represent a spaceship na nga sawang sa wekari Jesus ook. You see? Ano ko letterlijk na nga wolok. A wolok represent the UFO sa awit ma etits ani sa po Israel tag na alien de ine. You see? Mana de engelen e freedom voertuigen. You see? Read it again. Revelation 6 and 2. And I saw and behold a white horse. A white horse. And that they represent awan sa wekar Jesus. Yahweh Shai. On that witty but he can pure. You see? Ay kalag din nga rin nga de ingi. Tok na de so-called white. Na de so-called the wit. On that na anisan this pure. Ma-awit map teketak hayes wit. Awan potential pure. Pero may kwetak so-called the wit. Ma on that de man no witty. De man ready. And no one's man of blacka. Who brain, different shapes of brown. You should go ahead. And I saw and behold a white horse, and he that sat on him. And he that sat on him, met andere woorden, sa sto tapa spaceship, sabihin de tapa spaceship at chariot. You see, go ahead. And I saw and behold a white horse, and he that sat on him had a bow, and a crown was given unto him. Yeah. And he went forth conquering and to conquer. You see? Ama went forth for over, nanga for over. Met andere woorden, ama tekala de kingdom san de tapagro tapu. You see? Au tekala de crown for the zogenaamde the king san de tapagro tapu. You see? Ama destroy ala de kingdom. Ome no nga konere na update tag baka Amerika na dengo rule. You see? Desnisi edeng tag na dengo rule. The Arabir edeng tag na dengo rule, the American destroy. Desnisi edeng tag na dengo rule. Russia edeng na ingo rule. No mane rule baka der doerol orlog. Yahweh Shai, the 12 apostle King David, 140,000 elect na de manat o rule agron tapo. Dus no one knew werol order a wetman na forwa tak au rule na nga microchip isma anu. Dat ama defan plan futu pupata RFID microchip gun alas ma anu. Tak te go awengri enough up money ikan buy na kasa ya ates modern na mark of the beast. If you take a microchip amoro hiwang or destroy you. If you take a microchip that one tak ya ambegi de sukanam the witman. That one tak na the witman na you power, na the witman na you gado. Mawe begi amoro hiwang pota spirit na utapu funo take a microchip. Omdat dat tenge kong sa amoro hiwa o testu alamala. Fuluku if akoloof fuluku ohe uden nga ukoloof. Daarom ik na begi we begi taku hoop taku kan save. Alasan no blokkeer zo met 10 jaar zo in Suriname. Ala de bedrijf op passie. Vanwege a handelsoorlog nanga sa China nanga Amerikaan den no de. Suriname na doen aptaki Suriname na 90% na so snesi erul Suriname na so snesi sani. You see, ete a haven voor China op blokkeer, automatisch a haven voor Suriname op blokkeer. En nyanote en na hongersnood oko in a kondre en to komo lafu. Kan? Wat doe je takatru uno bawa yere, ubawa arkide sukanam de pastor fu uno. Sane takatru nangala de trasukanam de philosophy pagro tapu. Daarom make no tete in for in.
Kan?
Go ahead.
Revelation chapter 19 verse 11. And I saw heaven open, and behold a white horse, and he that sat upon him was called faithful and true.
You see, and that it represent Yahweh Shai. A white horse, it represent Yahweh Shai. You see, nanga a chariot. You see, boy.
And he upon him was called faithful and true, and in righteousness he doth judge and make war.
You see, in righteousness, I judge and I make war.
Kan?
No one live son no de in a Bible for amasa we kar Jesus. It true na Yahweh Shai. No one live sunny. Alasan sa ego in a Bible about amasa we kar Jesus. Na war.
Kan?
Maar de wetman kon nga walo reloki Rooms Catholic kola evangelie dat de pastor e ponke sama e potama so safu e potama le kwa wetman tro la amanawa big skinengre sa ati e bro.
Kan? His
Contact
eyes were as
Jesus.
a flame of fire, and on his head were many crowns.
And on his head were many crowns, and the crown that it represent ala the crown for the zogenaamde the kings tapagro tapo the president. You see the kingdom. Ala de kingdom amo tek Abraham amo tek agro tapo e over wat amang nanga de elect make agro tapo.
Kan?
A song among the ster alasan. You see, mafawi keterangan Yesif unu for others, da moro hiwan gi agro tapo ina anuf de wetman. For the wetman do wickedness nanga destroy agro tapo. You see, de mij vernietigt aher natuur. De mij kis walo gedierte e potin dieren tuin. E straf de gedierte. Yung paimonif goluku an leeuw. In paimonif goluku sneki nanga tigri. Suma tegi tak im kis gedierte potin dieren tuin. Na wetman e kwanga de wicked san dati.
Kan?
Na wa wicked san fu kis wan fouru, wan picolet, fu pote in wan coin. Ide kasana na wan sweet san ga picolet. Je kis a foure poti wan coin. Pe a fouru mus abe freedom. Make them up pot you in wan coin ade mai wakana nga you. Ide kyo firembo. Go ahead.
His eyes were as a flame of fire, and on his head were many crowns, and he had a name written that no man knew but he himself. And he was clothed with a vesture dipped in blood, and his name is called the Word of Yahweh.
See? Go ahead.
Isaiah chapter 66 verse 15. For behold, the Lord will come with fire, and with his chariots like a whirlwind, to render his anger with fury, and his rebuke with flames of fire. For behold, the Lord will come with fire.
You see? Salaki. For behold, the Lord will come with fire. Te Yahweh siya komba kawan sa wekarisa. Sto komba ka nga fire. Pen in a nuclear destruction. Eto komba ka nga de chariots. De sukan the spaceship, the UFO. Nga fire do ko okto. Want uit the spaceship, the angels shoot laser beam. Na fire tape. You see? Go ahead.
And with his chariots like a
And
whirlwind,
with his chariots like gima dress. You see? And with his chariots like a whirlwind. You see? Tawa sa we Jesus in na Yahweh siya yung kumbaka nga spaceship. Ano ko nga asi. Let pa de my tits. De suka nam de kerk ma de pastoro. You see? Na waka heim sa de wet ma worry.
Dus
zie-
nu kan model of de man dan verstaan de man ba.
Di first na to bigiwa.
Mi verstaan hier
First
order.
year model.
Wa mi cara bos kopu.
Wabif chara wan a endo de ledja. Der de wereld orlog de ledja.
E puno wickedness ma wa pop up.
Iya to de abruduk dengo de na uno ano. Dus dat we pura
Kami
abruduk.
na nga Muslim da. Mi no bom.
You know, you pass it for the impact.
Strana no.
No, so trace.
Nengere.
Nengre, you know, foundation for Israel. Give me opa sang.
De casa ko kom RC na.
No, I'm follow.
Follow? You know of the tribe jaso. Then Judah Benjamin of Levi. Ma fa Judah sera nada. You know Benjaminite. Man, Benjaminite na the West Indies. The masapanya tap the island. You see? Is you not Muslim?
Go na Muslim.
You go na Muslim?
E chami konto Deus.
E chari contra três.
Dim no bem. Sua crystal ko ude. Mi maten este mata historica tapisa pato yombo yo kapaki da yo lisatken sapato.
Ah, you.
Tapa wekte. Ana ko mi tu bigi masa. Chami ko ina Muslim eminom later bring you tot Deus. Je focus in tapi business en alles eminom later go wan mi na chef kop pandori. Sabi do to star.
You through power. Follow that. And one follow sa you. Like one boy for Amorohi, one pa ko puso follow mustil. Follow that. Ano de negre nga de ingi follow. No philosophy for the Arabia. You see, and Muslim moto eta Bible. Mohammed moto eta Bible.
Yeah, in a
You see,
ay ko ufari.
you see, this ama take one to san moto eta Bible ama go make a Quran. You see, and in the Israelite teach Mohammed want to san dama go dama open igi kolu. You see, this if Muslim Islam ik moto eta Bible, so that's why they make them lisa Quran. You see, no wicked philosophy that way. You see,
Plus dama aksi de Israelita fu brief ama hollow.
ya to dama accident Israelite ko briba ma kolu. And di Israelite no bewani dama forcer de mananga tranga. Daro mek ti de ya walo nengre na Muslim. Na fawi ko sense think body de ma pot de mang. In a san.
Van waar hebben die Joden het in gehaald?
De Joden na de origin nengre, de Joden ano de.
Van waar hebben ze het prima van Oude Testament zeker? Prima van.
Kaya bedoel Oude Testament.
Van waar hebben ze?
Oude Testament na de profeta schrijven toch.
Wat bedoel de profeet?
De profeta de toch vanaf Jeremia, Moses, Jeremia.
Nee, ervoor. Wie waren die mensen ervoor?
No, andor voor.
Pero tapu bili ervoor, hebben bestaan voor de man dat God Moses na Abraham tapu bili toe.
Ja, maar na Moses schreef het Oude Testament, de vier boeken, de Torah.
Van waar hebben ze het in hun basis in slaven?
Ja, voor de basis.
Die ouder waren dan die Joden.
You know, false doctrine abi. Is dat een buiten din atrudis ano diyo.
We fighten de moment.
Kom kijken van waar je komt.
Kom kijken, maar daarvoor was er een beschaving van 4 en 6
Komen op je dromen.
Even teruggaan en kijken wat het is.
Ah, dat staat na.
In ieder geval was er dat man akis van transstroming is een vertraging.
Maar ik van de dames die steeds. Die
Ah,
na
ja,
puka
ja,
ook
ja.
aan de makanen. Spelling mo po.
Dena presas pamoro hiwa matino sabi. Dena presas pamoro hiwa matino sabi. Daarom me kude dat teach them. You see, matino sabi. Madalak te woki sa porta do longkong. You see, omdat amoro hiwa mo gide mape power.
Daarom met de 300 SR die montje koncho.
Je moet één ding doen.
Waar zijn jullie dan?
No, just. This is the
Allah
Dat is vals. Hoe weet je dat?
Oh, hier. Ja, Ubidi.
Give me.
Wacht even.
Jeremiah chapter 10 verse 2.
Arki.
Thus said the Lord.
Thus said the Lord, amoro hiwang. Arki. You know that I want to inyo anu. Arki amang arki I want to amoro hiwang. Go ahead.
Jeremiah chapter 10 verse 2. Thus said the Lord.
Thus said the Lord,
Learn not the way of the heathen.
Lord, not the way of the heathen. You know what heathen?
Luister nou, luister nou. Kijk, wat christen snapt.
Dom leri, apasi to the heathen.
Hoe weet je dat?
Dan ben ik ook volk van Israël. Ala de nation beter dan ningere nga de ingi.
Daarom ik alle vallen.
Ala de Arki.
Puno na jabuti.
Ala de nation beter dan ningere nga de ingi.
Alles zijn in
Arki no. Ala de nation beter dan ningere nga de ingi na heathen. Ala de nation toch? Japanese, Hindustani, Arabier, Wetman, Hawaiian, Samoans, Afrikaners, de manat na heathen. De manat no de chosen volk voor Amorohiwa. Ako kosa volk voor Amorohiwa. Na de ningere, de buskondre, na de ingi. Na pawi katranga yesi, na de weta voor Amorohiwa. Na pones unu, na potu lota gron, mektine na de yesi de sisi.
Amen.
Si, Amorohiwa, pocharu baka, daro me kudeja, pochara nation voor unu kwa wan baka. Omdat hij lassie. You know what heathen and you're going to slave for me.
You are fighter.
You're going to slave for me. Omdat you follow de hele mij de kuli de anisha voor Israël in slavernij.
Ben Jezus bij de 40 jaar.
Ano Jezus, en na Yahweh Shai, en ook kill Mohammed, ook kill Kali, ook kill Krishna, ook kill Buddha. Ala de kado voor ook voor nito. Sumana yukolo, sumana yukado, sumana yukado, na Hanuman na yukado, Hanuman, otro Babuman.
Sorry.
Deuteronomy chapter 7 for thou art a holy people unto the Lord thy God.
Kamoro hiwa takto, it's a confusion. Ikan gawa kayo boy slavernij.
Mas Yoko slaven.
Chief bisa mo may ulang pala inagiging. Fuck you up.
Ben yo. Thank you. Hey, Ben
It's not true. Lima. Alaman sa ikaw sa ano dito. Box down. Napta tu de jato. Yoko yung slavernij bigyo. This is simple. Ada may sarong la world talking about. Tidak na you father rise of the prophet. Kucara akturali pour the people Italy make the subsidy. Subsidy possible. Nana tak kuja. Sabi to.
Habis wickedness man.
Iya to.
Ano sa ipsato.
Iya to. Iya man. Ana pasi. Ikaw tato mensagem. You know what you don't boy bigiwa. Go ahead. Say.
Wisdom of Solomon, chapter 18, verse 15.
Sabe a obrigação é falta win bagada. Ala des mas ay tag dem muda washi de Castro. Do amina esto mame free com bombardeiro e cola sana.
Uno dora yari da bino de giom da tete velen orlo na kade ayar da optra yari en na tedes de velen orlo awan sa kari sa soko da pauta na amoro iwa e break pauta kuchara kondre o infina on da de prophecy in a bible mus for pearl Srala ne Congo. Ya falok nusa. Russia, Amerika, Iran, nanga nuclear raketo. Si Saudi Arabia, e pai walo weapon na Amerikan, na moro hiwa taki. Ay doing. Si ime Revelation 17:60. Kom Saudi samo hiwa.
Oto suna kumita na gawede.
That is na actual. Church batikan to call out. And if you cara work church ko information.
Madami na pot collector.
No, freely o kise freely weke. On na uwan den ngere nga de ingi dem wiki dem moto Italy. Ano alamala wiki? Si ano on that bigi say no wiki. No chi ko dito no mo wiki. Si
wiki desa.
askritik patak de wasa o wiki. Naro meg na ukuwe ko suma uka wiki. Isabi to? No.
Otos une, como do mi tag min konso da min pot in.
No. If adegi you to, amoro hiwa sire ko senwa engel popo yuman. Read it.
Revelation chapter 17, verse 16.
Aki sa amoro hiwa taki.
And the 10 horns which thou sawest
See?
upon the beast,
And the 10 horns that they represent EU, United States. 10 horns that they represent the 10 country sa Europe so ini Eru. België, Dinamarca, France, tanga, West, Denmark. Go ahead.
and the 10 horns which thou sawest upon the beast, these shall hate the horn.
You see, this na a hur. You see, a hur sa snota pa base. A base this na the civic kingdom sa awit mangeru. You see, in the civic kingdom, you see, you have Mikanti country. You see, panaf Kirikaland, Republic, Czechist Republic. And a hur sa snota pa base, go ahead. One na American, a hur represent America. You see, and eng snota ala de tradition. Ano, so tinagrit na America to. Ala sa na American rule. You see, go ahead.
These shall hate the
You
horn.
see, the country disi do hata hur en nadat na sa istanul. Pawi ka de tari pa sa Donald Trump e poti tak aluminium tok na nga isri de country bige hat om dat de ma pay moro. Na a border a transfer ma de ma abi pay moro ga import. Na de ma bige hat. No propose sa import full. A DPF ano giyu. You see, go ahead.
These shall hate the
Do
horn,
hata hur en a hur represent America. Go ahead.
and shall make her desolate.
Do pires king
and naked,
en naked nak,
and shall eat her
en
flesh,
do nyame flesh, met andere woorden, ala de kobo san de in, ano letterlijk je flesh, go ahead,
and burn her with
en do
fire.
promen nga fire, en para to kober, door a nuclear destruction. Ala mala, tok demo atibro tapamada, ala de weapon fu dema, de nuclear missile, demo suk to sobo tap ame. You see, go ahead, read that again.
Ane arki as ni se tasut godoro.
See, go ahead.
For the Most High had put in their heart,
That true story.
Yes, it's an amoro hiwang ito. Amoro hiwang
for the Most High had put it in their heart
amoro hiwang put it in the nation, the mind. Go ahead.
to fulfill His will.
To make awan ni amoro hiwang ko in fulfilling. And bauta untuk play a role in it. You see, on that bauta ero ko na nga IMF. And IMF na destroy, the mga destroy ako. You see, go ahead.
For the Most High had put it in their hearts to fulfill His will and to agree and give their kingdom unto the beast
See?
until the words of Yahweh shall be fulfilled.
To telek awot amoro hiwang ko